Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to join polylines. So for the object polylines, I will create the rectangular polylines. You can click here. So we create two rectangular. Now if you want to join in these two objects, you can select the all objects and then use the union tools to join the polyline. You can click. And in here I will use no to delete the original objects. Okay, you can create again, like I will create the rectangle in this point. Now to join, you can select all objects, use the union tools, and then choose no to delete the original objects. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to join polylines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.